This is a hand dribbling activity, and we're calling it Dribble Shuffle. So if you've done the other move the pin games that I have, it's very similar to that. Some things you're going to need is you're going to need some kind of ball you want the kids to use to dribble with their hands. We're using poly spots, bowling pins, and beanie babies for our point system. You can use whatever you want to in the middle there. You can use milk caps, poker chips, playing cards, shaped cards, whatever you want to use for a point system. You're going to take your students in your class, you're going to divide it in half. Okay? Oh, hula hoop too. So hula hoop on by each end down there. And so you're going to divide your class into half and assign them to a side. You can have the students partner up or play by themselves, depends on your class sizes. We have larger class sizes, so our students are going to partner up with somebody on their team. Now everybody on my side is still on my team, but I'm going to have a partner that I'm going to practice and take turns with. So once that is decided, and the kids are playing, they're going to take turns dribbling. They're going to dribble out to one of the poly spots, about bowling pins. Okay? And they're going to move the bowling pin one dot closer towards their side. So I'll come out, I pick up a bowling pin, and I move it one closer. Now I got to make sure it stands up. If I just put it down, it's going to wobble. So I got to make sure it stays up, and then I dribble back, and I can hand the ball to my partner. Another option coming back is having them stop a little ways out, and then they can perform a chest pass to their partner, or a bounce pass to their partner, and their partner then can go. So then I'm waiting on the side. Partner comes back, and then I come out and dribble again. Now, while my team is trying to move the bowling pins closer to my side, the other side is doing the same thing. They're trying to move it closer towards their side. So if I see a bowling pin, let's say the green one was here, and I dribble out, I can dribble out and move that bowling pin, move it one more closer back towards my side. Anytime the bowling pin is on the very last dot, and someone from our side comes to it, oh, it's on the last one, woo, we scored a point for our team, so we get to take it back to the middle. That person, whoever grabs it, doesn't matter who on my team, because we're all on a team. Grab one beanie baby or whatever you're using for points, and this is what the hula hoop's for. So then this would go inside the hula hoop, and I get the ball to my partner, and then my partner then gets to go. So again, anytime it's on that last one, they have to grab it when it's on last one to reset it. It can't just be they move it, woo, yeah, get a point. Because sometimes how it happens. So it's got to be once it's there, the next person who comes to it, grabs it from our side, would end up helping us score. Okay? And so when all the animals are gone, we determine a winner. We look for a certain animal or a certain number that has the color on it, or whatever you want to do unique-wise for a point system for your students to find a winning side. Feel free to do that. If there's time left, we'll play again. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.